Honorable Chairman, distinguished scientists, welcome to my presentation. I am Mohammad Ashraful Alam, Scientific Officer, Bangladesh Wheat and Maize Research Institute. We have conducted one research determination of farm-level varietal adaptation in wheat using DNA fingerprinting in Bangladesh. Objectives and approach for varietal adaptation studies. Objectives of this study were to assess the distribution of existing varieties, monitoring the adoption of new varieties, to identify and track the purity of the varieties used by the farmers in different wheat growing regions. We have used for this study DNA fingerprinting using SNP platform. This is the precise and reliable tool for varietal adoption studies. This is the first study to approach DNA fingerprinting to get an accurate assessment of wheat variety adoption in Bangladesh. Background: wheat is the second most and widely used cereal crop in Bangladesh. Demand of wheat is increasing at the rate of 13% per year. With around 6 million tons of yearly import, Bangladesh has emerged as the fifth biggest importer of wheat in recent years. Wheat is an environmentally friendly crop. Out of 64 districts, wheat is currently cultivated in 56 districts. Wheat growing regions in Bangladesh: the highest wheat area was found in Khulna Rajshahi division, followed by Rangpur and Khulna division. The highest yield was found in Khulna division, followed by Rangpur and Rajshahi. The lowest area production and yield was found in Sylhet division. Area production and yields: after liberation 1971 to 2020, the area and production were steady increase up to 1999. After that, the area and production were declined due to farmers like to and other profitable crop like potato, corn, boro rice. But if we see the yield in 1971, it was below 1 ton per hectare, but it is now in 3.64 ton per hectare. In 2005 to 6, from 2020, it is remarkable increased due to farmers using high yielding, disease resistant and heat tolerant wheat varieties. Wheat production, import and consumption: in 2018, the domestic production was 1.2 million ton and requirement 7 million ton. The rest of 6 million ton were import or made up through import. So far, Bangladesh Wheat and Maize Research Institute released 36 wheat varieties. Some of them are oil adopted by the farmers, like Sonalika, released in 1973. It was covered 80% area up to 1987. Sam Kanson in 93 it is released. It was released in 1983 and covered 85% area. Shatabdi, it was released 2000 and 60% area up to 2011. Pradeep, it was released in 2005 and covered 50% area up to 2014. After that, several wheat varieties like Barigam 25, 26, 28, 29, 30, 32, and 33. It is all of these are high yielding, disease resistant and terminal heat tolerant. So this all of this variety are cultivating by the farmer. Methodology: reference sample collection. We have collected 28 wheat varieties, reference sample from breeder seed plot, and the spike of each variety are collected from several plants. The grain were air dried, mixed, and random 15-gram samples are grain was selected for grinding. 20 to 30 milligram of grounded sample of each variety was shipped to DART for analyzing. Identification of wheat location and farmers. Before sampling, we conducted Department of Extension personnel for identification of location. Collection of each field sample. A total of 1,791 farmer sample were collected from 6 major wheat growing division in 2018 and 19. Division-wise sample collection was carried out by a group of enumerators. A training was conducted before sampling, conducted by Sadhguru, management consultant at BWMRI. A part of spike was collected from 5 representative wheat plants from 1 randomly selected wheat fields. Barcoding and processing, the sample were collected into a pre-labeled barcode paperback from the farmer fields. The barcode used during managing seed collection from the farmer fields are generated by DART. Barcodes used to label and track the samples throughout the process ensured precise handling the sample. The barcodes are utilized throughout the whole analytical process and at DART. After ground the sample, we shift the sample to DART for analysis. In DART, they have DNA extraction and genotyping. After getting the reference library construction, we have constructed a dendrogram with 28 wheat varieties. We have got 4 major clusters. Cluster 1 consists 11 wheat varieties, cluster 2 consists 6 wheat varieties, cluster 3 consists 8 wheat varieties, and cluster 4 consists 3 wheat varieties. After genotyping of field sample, we have analyzed the data and results. Varietal distribution in Bangladesh based on DNA fingerprinting results. After result, we conducted a pie graph. We have got Barigam 25 covered 29% area, followed by Barigam 24 to 23% area. Barigam 26 covered 16% area. Popular varieties adoption across the 6 wheat growing division. We in Rangpur division we have seen the 26% area covered by the Barigam 24, followed by Barigam 26, Barigam 25. In Rajshahi, same result we have got. In Khulna, Barigam 24 covered 30% area, and Barigam 23, 25% area. Barigam 26, 18% area. Summary: DNA fingerprinting, a reliable tool to get an accurate assessment of wheat variety adoption. Most commonly grown wheat varieties: Barigam 25, Barigam 26, and Barigam 24. Wheat varieties released in past 5 years, such as Barigam 29, Barigam 32, Barigam 33, are detected in 4% or less of the sample. Because of unavailability, the seed of this variety in farmer sent. After release, one variety, BADC cannot provide the seed within 5 years to farmer. Study confirms the reliability and accuracy of high density SNP markers and DNA fingerprinting for variety identification and tracking adoption of cross varieties. Conclusion: from this study, government and BWMRI can initiate impact assessment study, varietal replacement strategy, development and replacement of agriculture policy. Acknowledgement: we have thanks to DGGW, Cornell University, and Sadhguru Management Consultant for conducted this study. We also thanks to Dr. Vijay Paranjabe, Vice President, Life Science Advisory, Sadhguru Management Consultant, for conducted this study in Bangladesh. We also thanks to Purnima Gede, Consultant, Life Science Advisory, Sadhguru Management Consultant, India, for analyzing and preparing the manuscript. And we also thanks to research and technical staff of BWMRI. We also thanks to DART for providing the genotyping support. Thanks to all for patient hearing.